fine, thank you.
Yani kita lebih seksi. Makurangi orang. Yang di desain makurangi.
Buka.
Bukurangi aku.
Rangi buka.
Kanya kar buka kanya. Ada kanya. Doris akian ogolo video na kure moro na
Doris mana? Doris mana?
Doro. Entah aku mau ke markas. Macam yang jangan macam mana dua kisah itu saja.
Yes, sir. It's lunchtime. We're going for lunch. With this small money you are paying us, sir. Exodus. Yes, sir. Really? So with this money, how can I eat and do development? That's your problem. It's your problem.
How can I eat and do development at the same time? With this small money you are paying us. Exodus. Hey, but Exodus is funny, man. What's a funny bala? Hey. Jama cha funny. Ngeno funny. What's a funny bala? Streaming is 1 hour today. 1 hour and pop. I'm new there. Pedro Silva, hayo. Yes. Manua. Mangaye. Mongaloyaye. Mangaye. A veces me cae raptor. Ese raptor. Michelle on the vibe. Coco points on the line. Mickey Day. Mikide, Ogalo Yulu. When I see Mickey, woo, hello Mickey. Hey, hello Mickey. Mikide, I am Mickey. Ogalo yala. If I say you coming for family first, to dance with me and I tell you to sing for me. Can you dance? Anaconda dance, Josie. I will bending and go Josie. It's a traditional vibe. Krisa Fagnani, oh Krisi Lily, oh yeah, please Manu, if I say dance, yeah, no make it dance. If I say dance, make it dance. If I say jump, hello Manu, no Manu jump. The Manu oh Mickey, ding, smart on the bar. I see Manu on the bar. My make it a day. Yeah, calling for water. If I say, can you show me? The Buddha show me. Show me what Mama give you. Show me what Mama give you. Hello. I keep rolling on the line. Make it ding. Have you seen me, Gideon? Thank you so much, guys. My name is Mark Mugenda. I'm playing traditional instrument. Let me show you the instrument I'm playing, guys. These are one of the traditional instruments from western part of Kenya. Where are you watching from, Mikide? Where are you watching? Eric Menibon, Minibon on the vibe. If you like the vibe, guys, why can't you subscribe on my YouTube channel? And also, there's a super chat for those who are watching on YouTube. And also, you can donate in PayPal if you like the vibe. El Rick. Enrico from New Jersey. Manu, Manu, Aye. Enrico from New Jersey. Manly born. Nikki Day. Where are you watching from? Banana Luonge. Banana Luonge. Ah! Darrell, Darrell, okay, man. Run with the teeth. La longo maga. Ay, Avisitiza. Where's Biggie Day? Have you seen my guys, soft man, the boss? The boss, soft man, the boss, Are you dancing? Are you coming? Mr. Ed Designer. You feel? There's some boss. It's on the vibe. From Mandali, they go to me. They go to me. Apetia, they Mandali. Ontologico, Mr. Grava. The boss, soft boss on the van. Are you dancing, Manu Manu? Manu Manu, Manu Manu, Manu Manu. Aye, Manu, Manu. I believe on the bar. You said whoa. Megan on the vibe. Manu dance. Cara Jamsum Rosanne Pavan. Mangaro banyak yang loto. Manu dance. Manu can you dance? After the vibe, Wabiro, Manu Bende, say hi, come on, say hi to my people. Yeah, say hi, say hi, say hi. Say hi. I have my dog here, guys. Just 1 minute. Johnny. Johnny don't want you. Johnny don't want anyone to see him. Thank you so much, guys. Keep on watching. I really appreciate it. I see man also the vibe. If you like the vibe and you are watching, guys, subscribe on my YouTube channel. My name is Maka Mugenda. I see private investor saying on. And also, guys, there's a super chat, guys. You can donate in super chat if you like the vibe. Thank you so much. Really? If you like the vibe, you can show your love, huh? There's a YouTube channel. There's a super chat, of which you can donate in super chat if you like the vibe. Rosanna, oh la la, Rosanna, yeah, Rosanna. Have you seen Rosanna Pavana? Yeah, Rosanna, man, don't ask me, my God. Man, don't ask me. Man, tell me. Man, tell me. Rosanna. Have you seen beautiful Rosanna? Can go Rochella, can go Have you seen Rosanna? I don't know where you are watching Rosanna, but me, I'm from Kenya. Arab Tova, Yugi, Susanna, and me gonga dumbe. We know about you. Doro. Have you seen what? Are you ready? I see Genevieve, Bana. How you, Bana? Rosanna. Rosanna Pavan. Bavania. Jojo, hello Baba. Corri non dava. Ay, Hello, hello. Ebrahim ya. Have you seen my guy? Party on the vibe. Hello. Vicky. Have you seen my guy? Ebrahim. I'm from Kenya. Remember, it's a vibe. Thank you so much. Let me increase the light. This side light is very. Yeah, now I see you. Do you see me now? How are you, Rose? You're on the vibe. Keep on watching, guys. Let me recharge bundles. I know my bundle is almost. Sharia. Sharif Abdullah Zarban. Antronam. Beautiful Antoinette. I'm a so Antoinette. I don't see Antoinette. Ashley. Have you seen my guy? Have you seen my guy Abdullah on the line? Friend TikTok told me you are so not real. This one is not a eye, my brother. Rosanna, come on, ayo, come on, I should be. Have you seen my guy, Abdullah Malika? Someday back home, I was back home. I see a place, beautiful angel. Mama, beautiful melody girl, Galfi Lion, Rosanna Papan from Brazil, wanna see you. Beautiful Andre, ayo, can you dance now? Can you dance? Ooh. Can you dance? Can you zeko? Can you dance? Can you shake your booty, shake your booty, and then shake your booty, and then yo, ha ha ha, ayo, oh you did oh you did beautiful life. Beautiful life. I will see my guy Tom Winger. I go. I'm really happy to see you, Anthony. A long time. How you doing? I see no drill also in the vibe. The instrument is this called nyatiti, one of the traditional instruments from western part of Kenya, guys. If you like the vibe, yeah. If you like the vibe, guys, you can subscribe on YouTube. There's a super chat also. You can donate in. And also, if you're willing, you can tip through PayPal. Yeah, that's how it works now. Let's continue. It's just morning vibe with Maka Mugenda. I see Johnson also the vibe. If you are good, I'm fine. I'm good also. Bless. Good morning, bless you. Have you seen my God? Primikia. Have you seen losing my have you seen losing my eye. I've been walking, searching my eye. And have you seen Anna? Bless, have you seen Anna? Have you seen Anna? Have you seen Anna? Anna, Shino, Anna, Arrobo de la Jojo. I have you seen a beautiful lady by the name of Anna Ashley. Anna Lipolin from my grandmother. Anna Lipolin from my grandmother. Beautiful lady. Losing fire. And you dance it. And you dance it. Oh, Sazu. Can you dance it? Can you dance it? Nico. Was a good lyric. Was a good lyric. Come win. Thank you so much, time yo. Time winning. We make. Time we make. Time we make. May God bless you, time we make. Joto Muganga. I've been the one who's Anna, 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 oh Anna, 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 the daughter of native doctor. She fell in love with the musician Anna Mama. Ashley, where's Maya? Time win, time wine. We might, we might. I was in my mind. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Jojo Mugang, Jojo Mugang. I'm a friend of the music. Everyone got you that. Everyone got you that. Ashley dance, mama, from Texas. Ashley dance, time we might, time we might. Ashley dance, my desire, Lucy Bangala, Lucy Bangala, ay, shake what mama gave you. Time we want. Thank you so much. And I've seen Duma. Drumham on the Bible. Drumham on the Bible. Time wine, yeah. One to the room, two to the time wine, one to the three to one. Losing my what's up? May Jah bless you. Can you how are you doing? Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. I'm from Texas. I really appreciate. May God bless you, everyone who's watching my Smaka Mugenda. There's a morning vibe. You know, every day is a vibing day, guys. And today I'm really happy because I see Ashley. Thank you so much, everyone who's watching. My name is Smaka Mugenda. I'm playing traditional instrument called nyatiti. It is a Luo traditional instrument. It's a vibe, morning vibe. Every day is a vibe, guys. If you like the vibe, you can donate in Super Chat or PayPal. Yeah, if you like the vibe, guys, that's how you can. If you are willing to donate, that's how it is. And also there's a YouTube. You can subscribe. One wing, oh yeah. Yeah, oh my God, I am go Betty on the bar. We come together, the video. One way, we come together. I work very loud, losing my mind. Losing my mind. Yeah, I'm losing my mind. You know it's a morning vibe. Yeah. Glado, glado. Glado, where's Duma? Duma. Duma. Jonathan on the vine. You know you're right. Hello, John. Hello, John. Hey, hello, Lucy. Ha ha. Bully, bully, bully. Tiger Cola. Bully, bully, bully. Katrina. Bully, bully, bully. Ha ha. Amanda on the one. Tell her, how are you? Sandia. Dufu. Aji dufu zale. Dufu. Hello, dufu. Is a fiber. Wami love, agonga komi, dagonga bucha, agonga jes. Yeah. Ayuda. Respect to the man. Sandaya. Thank you so much. Uncle Jeffrey on the man. Jasmine Regina. Hello Regina. Avarigani. Yeah. If you like, you can say Akuna Matata. Akuna Matata. Jasmine, where are you watching right now? I think Jasmine got mixed before. Hello, Jasmine, hello, Regina dance, Regina dance, yeah, Regina shake, Regina, Regina, Have you seen Jasmine Regina? Beautiful girl, in the Big TV, also the vibe. If you like the vibe, guys, subscribe on YouTube, guys. Also, the vibe. Regina, how are you? Yeah. Also, if you like, guys, you can donate in Super Chat or PayPal or M-Pesa, guys. There's M-Pesa there number. If you like the vibe, let's continue. Vic TV, also the vibe. I want to do something to Vic TV. Vic TV, are you there? Arreha. Ay. Respect. Higa. Miss Keke. Hello. I miss Keke. Keke Masalo Mumindi Bodina Bodina Miss Keke Hello Hello Miss Keke can you dance? Mulunguna Budina. Hello, Mase Budina. Have you seen Keke? Can you dance? Can you dance? Can you dance? Yeah, can you dance? Keke dance. Keke dance. Miss Keke Budina ye. Mazelodi Shari Aduru 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 Gobanio Aduru Bodina ye Miskeke Ungena makofenya Shari Budi Shari Bidi Kalin Modum Tomut Tomut KK Sharife Sharife Kaline Tom Tom Aye Tom Tomudaye Tomudaye lele Tomudaye Have you seen my guy? Bodi Samia Lekandavan Fatima Bile Fatima Samigra Ajugo Gulu Fire Fire Asamidale Fire Fire Samidale Fire Samiglamio Fire ding 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 Fire ding 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 Fire woo Fire ding ding Ha ha That's it. Are you dancing? Are you jamming? I wanna love of when I wanna love Sami Gam. Have you seen Sami Gam was on the vibe? Keep on watching. I really appreciate your time. Everyone is watching. What's Maga Mugenda? Marcelo Podina was on the vibe. How you doing now? Podina, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing, Podina? What are the number of the blue box here? Before you continue, guys, if you like the vibe, my name is Maka Mugenda. I'm from Kenya. I see Ringo from Uganda. If you like the vibe, guys, subscribe, also watch. And also, if you are willing to donate, I have a PayPal or a super chat for those who are watching on YouTube, guys. Have you seen my guy? Bravo! Fatima! Oh, that's my number. That's my number. That's my phone number. That's my phone number. But you have to start with Kenyan code. If you want my number, I can give you Kenya through Kenyan code. Like that one, you can just use it when you are in Kenya. But I can give you the Kenyan code so that you can use it if you want to use it now. If you want to communicate with me through WhatsApp. Jonathan. Samia. Body, body no. Body no. Ugena maja kwanya, ugena body. Some gram, some body, body, Marcelo Bodina, body, body. Real man original. Something good my girl. Body, body. Akaya. Well, Marcelo body. Lang out the bar. Wololo. Ha ha. Wololo tuma wololo. Bodina. Ringo ye ringo. Ringo ala si bodina. Ha ha. My culture bodin. I want you to dance. Kenyan vibe, nyatiti good. Edition, body night body. Ha ha. Jackson now we know. They wanna see you body. Body din, body din. Ah. I've been seeing a really bad daddy. Can you dance here? Yeah, Apo bibi, apo poa, bodinga poa, ngeke poa, adi maga poa, ay Maya from South Africa on the mic, con mi pensione. I would mama, Dominga wood. Where are you watching from? A warrior. I would where are you from? Dominga wood. Ay, Dominga wood. Nyakara chonyo malo, oh my belly Buddha, oh my belly Buddha, good my body now, good my body now, in Have you seen that one? Thank you so much, Leon from UK, guys. If you're watching and you like the vibe and you're willing to tip, you can tip through PayPal or super chat. For those who are watching on YouTube, there's a super chat or PayPal or M-Pesa. I would. Thank you so much, guys. If you like the vibe, let's continue. My name's Mark. The instrument I'm playing is nyatiti. I don't have much time to talk now. Let me sing one song to Awur. There's a song we were singing by the time when we were young. Award, Banu Biende, award, Banu Biende. What do you know that song? There's a song our mothers like to sing for us. Kings, what's your YouTube name is the same, Maka Mugenda, the same name in YouTube, in TikTok. I don't know. Wow. The same. Hola, how are you? The same name, Maka, M-A-K-A space Mugenda, Maka Mugenda. I use YouTube, TikTok. Chris. So you wake up in the morning, you have to remove the blankets, yeah. So those blankets, the all things, yeah. That's one we call P&A. So my grandmom liked to sing for me this song. Award, Banu P&A, yeah, award, Banu P&A. Chris. Let me sing for you that song, award. Hola, I will sing Chris. Award is a name, Chris. Award is a name of a lady. You know she was born in the night. Her mother was a proud woman, she walks. Her father was a tough man, he was. Ole Keranto. Have you seen Keranto, my man? Are you dancing? Are you vibing? Are you jumping? Are you shaking now? Marcel. Have you seen Brillantina? Ole, where's Ole? Ukusa. Yes, ukusa sikusa. Jamila Sullivan. Jamila. Ana. Are you shaking, Jamila? Award. Our mother was a proud woman. Our father was a tough man. Our mother was a proud woman. Are you dancing? Antrene, are you coming? Are you shaking? You know, Antrene, Jaye, Are you clapping? Are you clapping? Are you dancing? Are you shaking? Are you dancing? Are you jumping? Are you shouting? Hello? Have you seen Andre? Her mother was a proud woman. Her mother was a proud woman. Her mother was a proud woman. She was. Hello. My father was a travel man. Adiwa. My father was a travel man. My father was a travel man. My father was a tough man. My own, are you dancing now? Linda! Can you say that one? I should shake your kanungu. Kanungu is your waist. Kanungu. Adi kanungu. The dollar. Kanungu. 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 Ayawa wuru. I don't know how to appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Oyamo kwach baba. The funny thing, I want to play one song. Andre, are you there? Guys, if you like the vibe, why can't you subscribe on YouTube? And also there's a super chat. If you are willing, you can donate in super chat. Yeah, you can donate in super chat, and also there's a PayPal if you are willing to tip or donate. Ashley, let me play one song to Ashley. I think this one the last song now. Editor Mojo. Vemo. Ungenawa kofanya kene lemizino. I just like to I love yeah. Bad sing along, oh, bad sing along. When I'm jumping to like, oh, bad sing along, bad sing along. The sky is hot, oh, bad sing along. When I'm singing to Ashley, your song bring the mind, I need a friend on Monday, we can all do. I see my guy Kefa from Israel. Oh, but sing along. Why not singing to Ashley? Andrea, Andrea, oh, Andrea, Andrea, Bazar happy, oh, Bazar happy. I get some for us, yeah. I'm from the box, I'm from ancestors. Ole, 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 baba. ukena makovenya tina weru nare hajulai ni ae andrene DJ ole kiracho endiga kangu you know kangu ole kangu ete kangu ara you kangu ole dwaga kangu kangu kukuro iye duma Lepanga aye ukena makomenya kono ya ngalo dumugo unupai ayo, let's go now. The right. If you like the vibe now, tell me now. I wanna know. Ole, 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 Junior, ole, 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 Gerardo, losing my. Upsa, uya, upsa, ule, makoblame, ade tunugo kadum, elita jose, ayatumbele jumba, antene adumba, udubaye jumba, say aidu ule, ayo, Ule ba, ule geriando, may God bless Juliet, beautiful Duma. Didn't know when I see you, I didn't know when I see you. Joy. Yawa kana donge binyo dagi. I kana donge. Ay, Maria. One to the right, two to the juju, ay, juju. Ule, run with the teaser. Thank you so much, Ashley. Antonia. My time, Antonia. Antonia. Buduba, Shaliba, Kamalo, landing Kamalo. If you like it, Kamalo, Shaliba, Kamalo, Mako Kamalo, Buduba, if you like the vibe, yeah, ontological, Simon, Lilian African vibe, African vibe, shall he dance, shall he kick, shall he bang, shall he go down, shall he stand, shall he, aye, delegation and trending, aye, Con la veía losing my I've seen Lucy Maya. It's now time to buy. Shally, bang, Shally, what is that? Hi, one to the limbo, two to the zingo, one. Ah, the beautiful London. Julia, I see sun. All I got, I'm Professor Kali. Goodbye, Muga. Adiwo. One to the zingo. Two to the zingo. Guten Morgen. Mako. It should be Maka. Maka. If you like, you can call me Maka. In Germany, is Ishbina. In India, Aya. In French, we say, Je m'appelle Maka. Je m'appelle Maka. Je m'appelle. What do you want to say? What do you want to say? Tell me before. Guys, if you like the vibe, subscribe on YouTube. And also, if you're willing to tip, there's a PayPal, guys. You can tip also. And there's a super chat. If you like the vibe, super chat. For those who are watching on YouTube, please. You are many, guys. You can even donate one euro. One, not $1, $1. Have you seen Shadow? Sharon, are you there? Sharon, are you there? Alexander, my mom, how are you? Long time. Sharon, are you there? You are just passing. Any comment, guys? Sharon is not there. How are you? How are you doing? Give you such address. I want a comment because there's a lot of people are watching. Just give me a comment. You are so cute, boy. Thanks so much. I'm good. No, that's not good, man. It's not good. It's like it will rain later. Okay, for that now I have to leave, guys. I have another issue that I want to teach me are excellent. Thanks so much, guys. My name is Maka Mugenda. I like you guys. May God bless you so much. For now, I want to leave because I have a lot of things to do. And today I will leave very early. May God bless you. Adrene. Say hi to Texas. Say hi to Texas. Bless. Yeah, tell all people from Texas that I love them. Tell them I love them. Single and those who are married and everyone. I will. Thank you so much. Have a nice time, guys. I have to leave now. Yeah, I have to leave. Thank you so much. May God bless you guys. Nyasia ingeni pinga. Nyasia ka uno follow aya. Nyasia follow aka uno. Follow aya. Watch. Bala tiyo ko adi. That's a French. Yes, yeah. Mom, play again, please. Hey, I've stopped one. Yeah. Adwa ka light tu. Adwa ka change light mama ndo rango mbele kucha tugini akiana setting ni Nadia. What's happening? Nyakwero mwelo kamugenda. Moka elewa gini. No. Now I can't play. I can't play. Mbuzi, yeah, hiyo ni mbuzi. Mbuzi inaimba hapa, Marisha.